Morning YouTube, hope you're doing good today. Milwaukee top off. That's a cool little dude right there. I've had that for, I don't know, a week, maybe two. I had it pre-ordered, so as soon as it was available, they shipped it to me. I've only used it, I've charged my laptop, my big iPad Pro, my phone, and it'll zap them up in a hurry. Very quick, very efficient. I've not really plugged anything else into it. If you want me to try something, holler at me and I'll see. I don't have very many plug-in tools, but I mainly just got this just to keep with me, take when we go on vacations, take when we go out of town, stuff like that. Just as an emergency thing, like if I was without power or whatever, I can zap my phone up or my iPad or laptop, things like that. But it is really cool. I know you've seen videos on them. I'm not going to go into big details, but that's, it's like, I don't know the technical name, but is it a C or what? It's like what your GoPro goes in, goes in your GoPro. That's that one. And then your USB for there, then a plug-in, turn them on, turn them off right there. It's worked flawlessly so far. 12 amp hour battery. I mean, this thing will charge multiple iPads, laptops, phones, multiple times. Really cool rafter hook. I've got a family over here that hasn't paid rent in several months, and they're using COVID as an excuse, and they've let their oldest son move in. He's got a job. There's 3 incomes in this house, and what really aggravates me about it is me and my wife put in a tremendous amount of hours, and it's this house right here, that one, and they're just laid up in there. They basically told me yesterday that it was me and my wife's duty to provide them with a free place to live right now. And that's just kind of what you deal with in this rental business. But the thing that I've always said is, they're not hurting me, they're hurting themselves. And the lady that lives there told me the other day that Karma was and I'm not going to use the cuss words she used, but she was cussing at me. And of course they hadn't paid in several months and they're cussing at me. But she told me Karma was going to get me, and then I just kind of laughed and just walked off, because I'm not in the wrong. They used to come out on the porch and smoke. Now they're going upstairs and raising the window and smoking because they're inside hiding. But enough about them. We got to get in here. Let me show you what we're doing. Cutting out another floor. This is in a back bedroom. This floor in that bedroom, I've cut it out before. Been a long time back, and so it's good. But this floor here is weak. And there's another Mitsubishi new heating and air unit I put in. But we're going to scab all these up, just stiffen them up. You can see where I put some blocks under them, and there's some under. I don't know if you can see, like right there's one right under there. There's another one and another one. So we're going to be working on this. I use a lot of the 2.0 batteries and the 3.0 batteries on this gun here, just to help with weight. Of course, all of their tests and everything was done with the 5.0 batteries, my understanding. We're shooting today. We're going to be shooting these round drive nails, pass loads. These are 3 1/4 inch, and they're coated so that it helps with rust and corrosion and whatnot. So that's what we'll be shooting today.
She's like, you gonna be able to do everything. I see David on YouTube got you doing everything.
Yeah, it's good and it's bad.
Yeah.
Because your wife's gonna be
wanting me to do everything.
Yeah, Ashley, he can do it all. If you're watching, he can do it all.
She's watching you.
This is kind of how much these boards here had sunk down from level, kind of bowed down, but you can see that hook's on that, good stout hook. You can see we're putting cross members in now. You can tell I've got blocks, cross blocks, midway up this, blocks, underneath, sitting on concrete blocks, supporting it. So we should get it up in good, decent shape. It's a job, and I need this to get my mind off of the mess that I'm having to deal with. You know, it's just basically people trying to take advantage of COVID to get free rent. And like I said earlier, the part that burns me up is me and my wife have to work like we do. See if I can do this one-handed. Now, I'll just show you, okay? It's down low enough now it won't fire. So the problem I'm having with the 3 1/4 nails is they're longer this way. And so when this gets down to where it won't shoot nails, you put that in, it's too long to catch. So what I'm having to do right here is take a utility knife, slice these in half, and then it'll work. So that's the only problem we're having with 3 1/4 nails. Well guys, I thank you for watching, and just wanted to come to you and make you a video of us doing this flooring. You see bracing up as we come across. We put some 4-foot sheets in right there as we're coming across. And I wanted to make you a video of kind of the real world in this you know, rental property. I get so many comments on here a lot of times of people, you know, well, what's it really like, you know, to be in the rental business, and do you have trouble with this and trouble with that? Well, there's more good people than bad people. And out of the 20 properties that I've got, I've only got one bad couple that is choosing to use COVID as an excuse, because they're all 3 working. They got 3 incomes in there, and you know, it's just the way it is. My wife told me, don't worry about it, don't sweat it. The law's going to take care of it, and so that's just what you got to do with it. And I'm thankful that I can do it that way. Y'all have a blessed day. Have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. God loves you. Jesus died for you. I enjoy being with you. See you on another video.